Hey everybody, thank you for stopping by. Today I have a small wish haul for you. It's only 5 items, but it's a grouping of unique items, and I think you may get a kick out of some of the things that I got. I'm going to start with this really cute plaque that I seen, and it just definitely fits a friend of mine who has 14 cats, and I definitely think she'll get a kick out of it. It says, "Yes, I really do need all these cats." It has a little, like a leather strap there that you can put it through the openings on top and knot it in the back, and you can hang it. It's a little wall plaque, and I thought it was really cute, as a cute little gift for her. It's lightweight, it's like particle board, and the sign was 90 cents plus $2 shipping. I didn't take it out of plastic because, as I said, it's a gift for a friend, but it's definitely cute. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but that's okay. It's still adorable, and it was 90 cents and $2 shipping. Now, next item, if you are a smoker, you will definitely know right off the bat what this is. This is a little rolling machine that uses rolling papers. I grabbed this because one time I was out of tubes and I did have papers, but I didn't have the rolling machine. And I find it very, very difficult to roll cigarettes just like freehand with papers. Some people can do it so good. I can't. So this is sort of like a rainy day item. In the event I find myself in that situation here at home, I can at least use papers and make some cigarettes. So this little roller was $1 and $2 shipping, which wasn't bad. Okay, next is a super cute little silicone trivet. This is good for setting your pots on when they're hot. You could set on a counter and it's not going to damage your counter surface. It has a little honeycomb pattern on it. I really like these items that are made out of silicone because they're just so darn durable and yet, very bendable, and I really get a kick out of this. I'm probably going to order 2 or 3 more of these. These come really, really handy when you're cooking. Have your stove full of pots and pans, so I should have got several of them. I'm going to have to order a few more. But this little guy was free and $3 shipping. So that's not a bad thing to get. Next is a battery tester. And I seen on Wishstar community, somebody did purchase one, and it caught my eye because for a little while I wasn't really sure when my rechargeable batteries are done. I didn't realize the green light goes out when they're charged. So for a week or two I'm wondering, well, how the heck can I tell what they are? Which is why I ordered this. And this little device works really, really good. So this is a rechargeable battery that I had in a lamp, and I took it out just for demonstration. And let me see here if I can get it in right. Okay. And look at the gauge. It is in the green. It says good. The right side, the green, says good. The left side says replace. And in the middle of it there is a little yellow space that says low. So this battery is in the green space, which is good. So this is definitely a handy item for me to have. Battery tester was $1.80 and $3 shipping. And the last item is a free gift. I did not pay for this. I picked it, and it is absolutely beautiful. It is this really pretty ring with blue stones in. I ordered a size 6, which is the size I wear, and that is it. Let's see if I can show it off a little bit more for you. Really pretty pattern, and is so nicely made. The stones are all individually set. They're not glued on. They're all set in this ring. It is so comfortable too. Very, very pretty ring. Something a little fancier than what I normally wear, but I definitely thought it was pretty all the same. I am not sure if there is a mark in it. Oh yes, there is. It says 925. So it does have the 925 stamp inside of it. And as I said, this is a free gift. And mine is a size 6. So guys, that is the extent of this wish haul. As I said, it's small, but definitely some different items that I've been purchasing. And I think one of the items I am waiting on down to the wire now is my daughter-in-law's necklace for Mother's Day, Mama Bear. I've seen them all over Wish, and I ordered one. This is the 3rd week, so I'm really hoping it comes. Even if it comes Saturday, I can at least give her her gift and my mom their gift on Monday. Sometimes, you know, Wish does pull a good one and things arrive just when you need them to arrive, so I don't know. Keeping my fingers crossed on that one, but it's down to the wire. So anyway, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I will see you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.